Hello, present perfect in English and perfect in German. What is the difference and what is similar? The similar is the result of the action. We are interested in that. But in English, we don't know the time when exactly it happens. And we are not interested in it. For example, I have been to New Zealand. When? It doesn't matter. But we know that I have had such an experience from my birthday till today during this period, but the result is now. I can tell anything about it. In German, that is a little bit different. We can use the time in the past. For example, ich habe gestern den Film gesehen und jetzt kann ich den besprechen. I have seen the film yesterday and now I can discuss it. We cannot say it in English because we are not allowed to use yesterday, but in German we are allowed, and that is the difference. What topics are interesting for you? Write in comments, come to the classes, and subscribe to the channel. See you later. Bye.